Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you two amazing websites that will help you download almost unlimited books. These websites will not only help you download unlimited books, but they will also help you download paid books and free books. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into the video. So the first website I'm talking about is PDF Drive. I know there would be a few number of people who already know about this website, but believe me, there are more than 35 million of books available on this platform. You can download the most popular books, and you can also search for a specific book by using the search engine operation of this platform. On this platform, the books are almost in PDF form, so you can download the books in PDF form in your mobile phone. So before going to the next website, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because every week I bring a new exciting video about most useful websites, best Android apps, and some hidden and exciting features that help you improve your growth and to be one step ahead from others. So if you want to take benefit from all my upcoming videos, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's talk about the second website, which is pklib.org. This is one of my favorite websites for downloading books. But before going ahead, I would like to tell you something about this website. The domain of this website have been changed many times, and now the domain of this website is pk1lib.org. Before that, I think the domain for this website was zlibrary. So I don't know if in the future the domain changes. I will put the link in the description of that domain, and also in this video for the domain name I will also put the link in the description. This website helps you download paid books and free books in different formats. There are almost 80% of books available on this platform. You can search for a book by using the title of the book, by ISBN number, the author name, and the publisher name. PK1Lib gives you the facility to search for a specific book by using different options. In advanced search, you can select the language of the book, and you can also select the extension of the book so that you can search for a specific book and you can find it very easily. In addition, you can find different categories of book. You can find famous books and you can download them. You can even also upload your books and publish your books. I made this video for educational purpose only because there are many learners and readers who belong to rural areas and they don't have enough money and access to these books. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, please do like the video and share it with those who need them the most. I'm sure you will help me with this. This is enough for today's video. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.